Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, click the Windows key in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then select Settings from the menu that appears. This will open up your system settings where you can control all your privacy permissions and device access. Once you're in Settings, click on Privacy. This section is where Windows manages which apps and programs can access your hardware, including your microphone, camera, and location. In the left panel, click on Microphone. This will take you to the microphone privacy settings where you can control which applications have permission to use your mic. Now, this is important. Make sure the toggle for Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. If this is off, no applications on your computer will be able to detect or use your microphone, which is likely why Steam isn't picking it up. Next, scroll down and look for Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. Make sure this toggle is also turned on. Desktop apps like Steam need this permission enabled separately from regular Microsoft Store apps, so this step is crucial for fixing the issue. Once you've confirmed both toggles are on, go ahead and close the settings window. Now that Windows is allowing Steam to access your microphone, it's time to configure Steam itself. Open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. After Steam launches and you're on the main interface, look to the upper left corner and click on Steam. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open Steam's configuration panel where you can adjust audio, interface, and other preferences. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Voice. This section is specifically designed for managing your voice chat settings, including which microphone and speakers Steam should use. Look for Voice Input Device. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select your microphone from the list. Make sure you're choosing the correct mic, especially if you have multiple audio devices connected to your computer. Selecting the right input device ensures Steam is listening to the microphone you're actually speaking into. Now, adjust the input and output volume by using the sliders from left to right. Drag the input volume slider to increase your microphone sensitivity, and adjust the output volume to control how loud other users will sound during voice chat. Test the levels to make sure your voice is being picked up clearly without distortion. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working perfectly on Steam, and you'll be able to communicate with your teammates during games. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.